In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in your PC if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. So there are some few ways to take a screenshot, but the first easy way is if you have a print screen button in your laptop, you just need to press this PRTSC and this will show you to take a screenshot of option. Now here is a snipping mode option here. Now you can take a window, full screen or freeform. So if I just click on full screen, it will take a screenshot. Now I can see my screenshot here. And there's another way to take a screenshot is just full screen of a screenshot. Just press Windows key and the priority screen and the print screen key at the same time. It will also take a screenshot. And the third way is to take a screenshot is press Windows key, Shift and S at the same time, and it will show you the freeform of to take a specific screenshot anywhere you want, just like that. And you can take a screenshot like this. Now why do you get if I take a screenshot? Just open up with this PC option, and in the left corner, if you have a pictures option here, click on it. And here, as you can see, there's an option called screenshot. Now you can find all the screenshots that you've taken on your PC. So that's it, guys. This is the simplest way to show you how to screenshot in your PC. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.